Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Crypto.com with a credit card. First, download the Crypto.com app and complete the registration process. You'll need to verify your identity by providing the necessary documents. Once verified, you can proceed to link your credit card to your account, ensuring it's ready for transactions. Next, let's link your credit card. Open the Crypto.com app and find the Fiat Wallet section. From there, select the option to add credit/debit card. Carefully enter all your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure all information is correct to avoid any issues. Now, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Head to the Buy section within the app and select Bitcoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. Choose your newly linked credit card as your payment method. Then, simply enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming your order. Finally, review all the transaction details one last time, including the amount and the price, before confirming your purchase. Be mindful that some credit card issuers may charge additional fees for cryptocurrency purchases, typically around 3–5%. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin will be securely deposited into your Crypto.com wallet, ready for you to manage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.